Have you ever wondered why we say, I wish I had $1,000,000 when you're talking about right now? You're talking about the present, but you're using a past tense verb. I mean, it doesn't make any sense, right? Or does it? Well, guess what? It's actually a secret code in English. And today, I'm going to help you crack it.
All right, welcome aboard the Grammar Time Machine. And I want you to forget all those dusty, boring grammar rules. Instead, think of your verbs as the control panel. Whenever you want to talk about something that isn't real, a wish, a dream, a regret, you just have to pull a lever and shift your grammar back in time. So here's the number one rule, and trust me, it's so simple. To talk about an unreal or imaginary present, all we do is take our verb and take one step back into the past. That's it. The past tense becomes our imaginary code. It's like a secret signal to the listener that says, hey, listen up, what I'm about to say isn't reality. So, how can we use this to, basically change reality with grammar? Well, let's start with the most common situation of all. Just wishing things were a little bit different right now. Okay, picture this. You're stuck in the worst traffic jam ever. You're going to be late. And then a motorbike just zips right past you. In that moment of pure frustration, you think to yourself, I wish I had a motorbike. See what just happened? Your reality is you have a car. But because the wish is imaginary, your verb have jumps into the time machine and becomes had. You're using the past to talk about your impossible present. Okay, that's great for our own situations, but what if the problem isn't you? What if the problem is someone else and their really annoying habit that is driving you crazy? Well, English has a perfect little grammar hack just for this. And here it is. Your secret weapon for complaining is wish plus would. This is the one you pull out when you really want someone or something to change. Like, I wish my neighbors would turn down their music. Or, I wish you wouldn't make such a mess. It is the perfect, maybe slightly passive-aggressive way to show you're really annoyed. All right, so we've handled the imaginary present. But what about the real past? What about those things we really regret? Well, it's time to fire up that time machine again, because for this, we need to go even deeper into the past. Now, the rule here is just as simple. For an unreal past, a regret, we take 2 steps back. Not 1, but 2. We leap right over the simple past and land in what we call the past perfect. That's just had plus the third form of the verb. This is our signal for a deep, unchangeable regret. Come on, you know the feeling. It's a big holiday dinner. You are so full you can barely move. The reality is, you ate too much. That's a simple fact from the past. But your regret now, that's when you take that double step back and say, I wish I hadn't eaten so much. That hadn't eaten is the sound of pure regret. Okay, I need you to listen very closely right now. I'm about to show you the number one grammar trap that almost 99% of English learners fall into. If you can avoid this one mistake, you will instantly sound so much more natural. You ready? The trap is confusing hope and wish. Don't do it. Here's the difference, and it's super simple. We use hope for real possibilities in the future. I hope it's sunny tomorrow. Yeah, it might be. But we use wish for things that are impossible or unreal now. So if it's pouring rain outside, you can't say, I hope it stops raining. It's already raining. That's your reality. You have to get in the time machine and say, I wish it would stop raining. Simple, right? Hope for the future, wish for the now. Okay. Enough talking from me. You have the keys to the Grammar Time Machine. Now, let's see if you can drive it. It is time for a quick quiz. Question 1. It's high time you blank working seriously. Are we going to say start or started? Take a second to think. And the answer is started. Yes. The phrase, it's high time, is another one of those secret triggers. It automatically puts us in the time machine because it implies the reality is that you haven't started yet, so we need that unreal past tense. Well done if you got that one. Okay, question number 2. I wish you blank coming late to class. Is it don't keep or wouldn't keep? This is a classic. You got this. And the answer is wouldn't keep. Of course it is. Why? Because coming late is an annoying habit. You want someone else to change. And for that, we need our special complaint formula. Wish plus would. And our final question. This one is about a past regret, so think carefully. I wish I blank to your party after all. Is it went or had gone? What do you think? The correct answer is had gone. The party's over. It's in the past. You didn't go, and now you regret it. And for a past regret, we have to take that double step back into the past perfect. Excellent work.
You absolutely passed the test. But now for the most important part, you have to practice. So here is your homework. In the comments below, I want you to write one sentence. Tell me one thing you wish you had done differently yesterday. Let's practice that past perfect. I'll be reading as many as I can. And hey, if you found this useful, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next explainer.